But how about some local military history? Settle down in your armchair. Now, in 1916, during the First World War, the Navy built a factory a few miles over there on Holt Heath to produce propellant for their shells. And that factory was still operational come the Second World War. And at that stage, of course, many of those sorts of resources were being bombed by the German Luftwaffe, so they wanted to protect it. So what they did was they built an exact replica of that factory over here, a few miles south, on the Isle of Purbeck, away from any human habitation, and they lit it up to look like the actual factory, so that when the German bombers flew in, they mistook the dummy factory for the real one, and on June the 3rd, 1942, they dropped no more than 700 bombs here on the Isle of Purbeck.
That is unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
700 bombs. What's even more unbelievable is nobody was hurt in that attack. But the landscape was permanently scarred with bomb craters. And over time, those bomb craters filled up with water, and that attracted wildlife. And now they have 200 ponds in Arne. And at this time of the year, those ponds are filled with real jewels. Jewels like these, dragonflies and damselflies. So this is the emperor dragonfly, a female, and as she goes down to the water, she's laying her eggs just beneath the surface. Look at the colours, they're absolutely exquisite. This is a scarce chaser dragonfly, and again, when you look at the detail of the eye and you look at it in close-up. And then on the lilies, we've got a red-eye damselfly hunting, flying over the lilies, seeing what it can catch. And of course, they're mating at this time of the year, and that's what these are doing. The male is the blue one, the female the green one, and the tail goes over in it, pins the female down behind the head, and then she bends her tail round to reach his reproductive organs. And it sort of forms this lovely love heart, and then they mate for, well, 30 minutes plus, isn't it?
Indeed, and they fly around in tandem like that.